Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing alright. I was finally able to go get the new white 1-ton. This girl's a 2007 F350. Picked it up off of Facebook Marketplace. The old truck's not too bad a shape. A little bit of rust. Just enough rust and dents to be a good plow truck. So I'm thinking about retiring the old dump truck and making this the plow truck for next year. It's got 5.4 in it, automatic, and an 8-foot bed, which already has a flat deck on it. Best part about this truck. Anyway, as you can see, it just fits on my 18-foot trailer. Literally just fits. So the truck still needs a few things. Still needs the left-hand exhaust manifold. Probably gonna need a muffler. Got the right-hand side manifold put on it here. Well, I started it, shop finished it, because I haven't been back to the shop in a couple months. So anyway, let's get this thing off the trailer. Yeah, so here it is. Like I said, the truck's not too bad shape for the year of it, being a 2007. Needs a few things. I already did a little bit of touch up on some of the body work and stuff in it. I had a couple dents in the doors and in the side of the cab, and fenders and stuff were marked up pretty good, so give her a quick sand and poor man's body job. Here's the interior on it. It's pretty clean now, but I'll put a couple pictures in when I first got the truck. It was pretty gross. It says it's got 147,000 kilometers on it, so like whatever that is, 180,000 or 80,000 miles. That's what it is. Yeah, something like that. 85,000 miles on it. It needs typical Ford stuff. Needs a steering box. Did one exhaust manifold already. I'll do the other one by the time winter gets around. Probably put 2 tires in the back of it. They're getting worn down a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Comes with a tidy tank, which is kind of nice, or slip tank. So, gotta get a fire extinguisher put on it. There's a couple things I want to do to it. I want to be able to mount a toolbox in this thing. So, I might add a set of rub rails to the side, straighten this out, and then make it the same as my V10 over there. Have the rails on the outside of it. That way there I can just move toolboxes and tools around easier. It's even wired up for a dump trailer on the back, so don't have to worry about the batteries going dead. That was pretty nice. Like I said, overall, not too bad for what I paid for it. It was under 5,000 bucks. So, runs, drives. Like I said, body's in decent shape. But, should make a good plow truck. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and subscribing. As of right now, while I'm making this video, we're at 99 subscribers. So imagine next day or so we'll be making a video on the 100 subscriber giveaway. And I'll come up with some way of being able to give that mug and hat away. And then depends on what's going on with this coronavirus or whatever, I will try to get it mailed off. We'll see if that's possible or not. But yeah, thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.